How to use eye tracking on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Eye Tracking. Eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. Over here, you can view and manage the eye tracking settings. Go to the Smoothing section and drag the slider to adjust it according to your preference. This feature smooths pointer movement. Increasing this value may decrease pointer responsiveness. You can also turn on the Snap to Item and Zoom on keyboard keys features below. Following these steps, you can easily use eye tracking on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.